The embrace matters. A former president handing over to a new one peacefully on the 10th anniversary of formal independence.
I will serve the people of East Timor so that they can live safely, happily and prosperously.
Taur Matan Ruak was head of the army that resisted Indonesia's occupation of his country. At his swearing-in ceremony as president, Indonesia's president was one of the guests. The smiles would have been unimaginable a decade ago. In 1999, after a referendum in which the East Timorese voted for independence from Indonesia, pro-Indonesian militia went on the rampage. It took UN peacekeepers, including a sizable contingent of Australian soldiers, to restore order. At Taur Matan Ruak's swearing-in, Australia's Governor-General was one of the guests. Her country's troops are set to leave for good later this year. East Timor is now considered a stable country and regional player in its own right. For that, many credit East Timor's outgoing president, Nobel Peace Prize winner Jose Ramos Horta.
After 10 years, Timor-Leste has achieved so much. The recent and peaceful elections speak of the tremendous progress that has been made in creating peace and stability and building your commitment to democracy and your participation in the international community.
East Timor still has challenges. Tackling poverty while facing the highest population growth rate in Asia won't be easy. But there are firm signs of progress too. Big oil and gas reserves mean petrodollars are rolling in, and there are as yet almost untapped possibilities for coffee exports and for welcoming tourists, especially from nearby Australia. 10 years on from independence, East Timor has good relations with its two crucial neighbours. Indonesia is no longer seen as a threat, and Australian troops are no longer thought needed on East Timorese soil. Taur Matan Ruak's task then as president is to oversee the next stage of East Timor's transition from peace to relative prosperity. Andrew Thomas, Al Jazeera, Sydney.